Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off sleep focus on iPhone. So the sleep focus is not a predefined focus on your iPhone. So you probably set this up yourself. So you to turn on sleep focus each time you want to use focus mode on your iPhone. You can say I have sleep on. So the only focus you're gonna have here on your iPhone as predefined focus is the do not disturb and personal. So if you want to turn off or disable sleep focus on your iPhone, this video is going to walk you through how to simply do this via the control center. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to your iPhone control center, then locate focus, and then press and hold it. That is sleep. You can see I have my sleep focus turned on here. So go ahead, press and hold it, and then disable it. So once you click on it once, this is going to disable the sleep focus. However, if you want to delete the sleep focus on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead to your iPhone settings like this, then scroll down, and then you want to click on focus. So you can see, go ahead and click on focus. Once you selected focus, you're gonna see do not disturb, sleep focus, and then personal. Now to delete the sleep focus, just click on sleep, and you want to scroll down the page until you see delete focus. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on delete focus, then you should see what that says. Do you want to delete this focus? If yes, go ahead and click on delete focus. Once you click on that, then you should see the sleep focus removed and then deleted. Then when next you want to use focus, you can only use do not disturb on your iPhone. I come to focus here, I can see you only have do not disturb. So this is going to silence all notifications. So that is basically how to turn off sleep focus on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.